day trade setups for today. So a couple of things. So for me, there is something brewing. If you look at the Dow Jones, you look at the S&P. Normally they track each other fairly well, but right now there's a pretty clear divergence between the two. So S&P has broken through this trend line, whereas the Dow has a similar setup but hasn't broken through the trend line. Okay, this is one of the reasons why I do prefer trading the S&P. You see it's pretty clear. Yeah, inside bar, then follow through. Now we've broken through the channel. Anyway, we do have non-farm payrolls today. We do have a string of data coming out. It is Thursday, so it's data Thursday. But at the moment, if you look at this on the 3-hour, we've had a breakthrough, we've had a retest, had a second retest, and we're kind of hovering here on this inside level. Nope, that's not my inside level. That's my inside level. Okay, so we're kind of hovering on this area right now. You see there's my inside tail right there. We have validated this swing low here, so this double bottom is validated. Okay, and that basically means I have a move here that equates to something like that. Okay, look to the left. There is some support here. Was resistance, it will be resistance, so just put that level in as well. So that's kind of what I'm anticipating. The fact that we've broken through this trend line as well, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on it, 5 touches on it. I wouldn't be too surprised to see a pullback during the European session into this area, and then another move to the upside. So this does offer, it looks a little bit more pretty than the Dow Jones, and does offer some opportunities to get long on this based on the breakout. However, it is data Thursday, so you need to be careful. And what I always prefer doing, especially on non-farm payrolls days, is just stay well away from the market until non-farm payrolls comes in. And even then, don't get too excited when right as the data is released. Give it 15, 20 minutes, and then calmly look at the charts and see what is happening. And that should give you a fairly decent trade. So for now, I am bullish. It looks like a fairly clear trend change on the 3-hour at least. If I come down to the hour, you'll see we have a retest of the moving average. Very clear that we're moving to the upside. Okay, no doubt about that. We are in an uptrend. We've broken through fairly strong area of resistance, which was this channel, and we're now hovering here, which is to be expected while we wait for data or we wait for the next bit of noise. The noise of yesterday, the big move up of yesterday, was pretty much based on the Europeans coming out with a plan to kickstart and get their economies going, which markets loved, which pushed us up. But then we kind of went sideways after that. But that doesn't really matter. The fact for me is that we've broken this trend line and we've retested a couple of times. So, yeah, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. And I expect this to continue. So you can see break up, come back, test breakouts. And if you just look at that, you'll see there's congestion there. Not really clear, but I think the second one is fairly clear. You can see coming back into this area, there was an opportunity to buy there. This pullback here was another opportunity to buy. There's a Brooks gap, but it came back to close right over there. Okay, and you can see also some inside tails there. Okay, so yeah, the structure, I expect it to continue. So buy the pullbacks, get onto the hour chart, draw your levels in. And where's the next level right now? The next level is pretty much over there, and then there's one a little bit further down over there. And look to the left, there's another one there. Okay, so if I delete that there, you'll see there's a fairly strong zone here, and also you've got the moving average, and then you've got this trend line. So the most logical one is more than likely this 3,105. Okay, but I'm not interested in this until after the data is released. So pretty much going to just stay away from this until after data is released, and then we'll have a look at it. Okay, but it does look like we are moving back the upside, and my next target is 3,200 is the next target area. It's pretty much up here. So 3,190, and I think the previous high, there's your previous high, it'll be somewhere in this area here, which is 3,280, 327, and then 3,217. So 3,200 is these inside tails here, if I remember correctly. Yeah. So it's somewhere around 3,200. That's kind of my target area currently. And then we'll wait and see what happens from there. Okay. Anyway, guys, hope that helps you, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.